Hey, it's Tanya here. I'm back in the studio. As you can see, I dressed up for you again in my dirty gear. Story of a potter's life. I just wanted to share a quick thing with you before the magic starts. Most of us potters hate wedging. It's one of the part of the process that we really don't like too much. But did you know, if you take clay directly from a brand new bag of clay, like this, this 25 pounds of clay, but if you take it directly from a bag of clay, you don't have to wedge it all. Isn't that fantastic? So that's the joys of the reclaim or brand new out of a bag, fresh out the bag, which most of us like. What I do is I cut with my wire, I cut a slab, and then I cut that in half. So that was my slab. I cut it in half. Then I cut that in half again. So basically I've got quarters, and then I put them on top of each other. Got another set I've already done. So I do a whole load of that first. Then you've almost made the size that you would like as your ball of clay. And all I do is I pound it on the table. I'm not going to do it now, it's going to shake my camera. But I pound it on the table that way, just turning it, all the time, and pounding it. So you're pushing them together until you've got your little ball of clay. This is 1 pound of clay. I'm going to go on the wheel and create some magic. I'm going to turn this ball of clay, hopefully, into a mug, some vases. I've got a few ideas today. I'm not 100% yet, but this is going to be transformed. But it's easy. I didn't have to wedge at all. Isn't that fantastic? Story of our life. We hate wedging. Take it out of a fresh bag. Shape it into the ball after you've cut it into quarters. And then just pound it together to create your ball. As you can see, it's already forming, but usually I do this on the table to really bash it down. And the ball is forming. So that's a quick tip. Fresh out the bag, no wedging needed. Perfect, just the way we like it. Well, I hope you found that helpful. I hope you're enjoying the videos that I'm sharing and all the tips I'm bringing with me. Continue to follow, continue to like, continue to comment, subscribe, because then you don't miss out. I don't want you missing out on anything, because I'm sharing things in the studio that I haven't had on Facebook yet. They're brand new. I'm busy doing things as I'm in the studio, and I'm thinking, oh, I should share that, and I'm just sharing it just randomly as I go, or I'm sharing longer videos of a process of something I'm doing. So follow along. I don't think you'll miss out. You won't be sorry. I promise. Thank you for the support, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.